Good morning to one and all. On behalf of the IIIT Kottayam community, I would like to welcome all the newly joined first year students. Friends, Kerala is a God's own country. Every inch of Kerala is really awesome. Our campus is situated on hilltop, surrounded by lush green environment. The weather of IIIT Kerala is really very pleasant. It's perfect place for study. You are lucky that you are here. Today is our first day. It's a memorable day in your life. Due to COVID-19, we could not meet you all personally. I hope soon the pandemic will be over and we could start the face-to-face teaching at our wonderful campus of IIIT Kottayam. IIIT Kottayam is almost developed campus. The second phase of construction is already over and third phase has started. IIIT Kottayam is a fully residential campus with all the facilities such as hostels, gymnasium, auditorium, open air theatre, a unique feature, mess, computing facilities, medical facilities, transportation facilities, indoor sports, few outdoor sports, etc. Our student clubs such as cultural clubs, coding clubs, music clubs, etc. organize event on regular basis without disturbing studies. Remember that we are keeping the perfect balance between academics and other activities. I'm sure you will enjoy your 4-year stay in this institute of national importance. Today, every institute tries to develop wonderful premises. So you may say that, what's great about it? It's not so. Ours is the Institute of National Importance and our focus is on building the best academic, research, interdisciplinary and innovation culture and producing engineers who can perform, who can exhibit, who can demonstrate their knowledge and skills by developing innovative softwares for IT world. Whether it is a computers or electronics and communication or cyber security, it doesn't matter. All are part of IT industry. We believe in disciplined society, creating and developing engineers with human values. Naturally, the administration is strict and credit goes to our backbone, our registrar, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Our faculty is our strength. They are educated from various premier institutes of India like IITs, NITs, IIITs, or postdocs from UK, Germany, South Africa, having IT industry experience. Normally, there are 200 applications and we are selecting just 5. And like that, we have built our team. One more example I would like to quote to show our faculty strength. We have started MTech in AI and data science as well as cybersecurity for IT working professionals. The word IT working professional is very important. More than 150 employees with 5 to 10 years of experience in leading 80 IT companies such as Adobe, Amazon, Honeywell, Teradata, Wipro, Cognizant, UST Global, IBS Software, etc. have joined these courses. So we are not simply undergraduate courses, our postgraduate courses, 150 employees from 80 IT companies have joined. It's a challenging job to teach such experienced IT professionals. Our faculty have proved their mettle. I'm sure you will take maximum advantage of this healthy academic environment. You're surprised to know that our faculty is taking credit course at TUM Germany, which is 34th ranked world-class university. We have ACM distinguished faculty and so on. Meticulously, we have designed our UG and PG syllabus. Today is the era of AI and data science, electronics and communication, and cyber security. And we have all the three courses, BTech as well as MTech. After a long discussion with academicians and industry personnel, we have designed international standard, highly interdisciplinary curriculum for you. For design this curriculum, we have considered dozens of parameters. It's a hectic task. It is an industry 4.0 ready curriculum. We have included foreign languages. In addition to this, IT industry is a business world. One should know the business management, and thus we have introduced 6 subjects of business management of 1 credit each. We also introduced highly interdisciplinary subjects like bioinformatics and so on. Remember that. Along with you, 8 lakh computer engineering students have taken admission to various engineering colleges in India. You are better, but you need to prove that you are the best during these 4 years. Thus, apart from international standard, highly interdisciplinary curriculum, we focus on many other issues for developing innovative brains at IIIT Kottayam. Our 2 incubation centers, one is Niti Aayog Atal Incubation Center and another one is MSME Business Incubation Center, have given birth to 35 startups with 36 patents. Thus, IIIT Kottayam is having a perfect ecosystem for innovation. Our faculty's members are guiding more than 50 research scholars at IIIT Kottayam. They have published or presented over 850 research papers. And you will be surprised to know that out of which 25 research papers are with BTech students. You may ask me why research at UG level? Remember that in the IT industry, all the time, you are involved in doing research and innovations for building better software with new technologies. For this, you need to have a problem-solving attitude. And thus, we have added this optional research component. We have international collaborations with Germany, Canada, Austria, UK, and so on. Our faculty members have submitted over 200 research proposals worth rupees 307 crores, 307 crores within the last 2.5 years, which include 30 international proposals with 13 countries, 30 international proposals with 13 countries. Just visit Recruiter's Corner, that is the last but one menu item at our website to know more about these activities. Remember this word, Recruiter's Corner, last but one menu item at our website. Visit it, you will come to know so many things about our institute. We know that you have taken a lot of effort to take admission to this premier institute of India. The objective is very clear that everybody is interested to become an excellent and highly paid IT engineer. We will provide you an excellent platform. I mean, in-depth knowledge about your discipline. But to achieve this goal, we are expecting your contribution too. I would like to highlight this issue on the very first day at IIIT Kottayam. We are expecting some contribution, and that issue is really very, very important. Almost every IT company wants an employee who can apply his knowledge to enhance productivity. Productivity is the most important thing. How an IT engineer can demonstrate his skill set. It is always with the help of programming or coding. You may have knowledge of so many fields, but unless you show them, unless you develop the software for that, you cannot exhibit your knowledge and your skill set. Along with coding, IT companies expect excellent knowledge of algorithms, that is data structures and algorithms. We will teach you these subjects. No doubt that we will conduct the extra coaching also. But to become an expert in this subject, you need to do a lot of programming practice. Apart from your regular studies, if you are ready to spend daily at least 3 hours for programming practice, then you can become an expert programmer within few years, within 1 or 2 years. Teachers can help you, but there is no substitute for practice. Please remember this fact. You need to involve yourself in coding club activities. You need to participate in coding activities for various coding clubs like CodeShift, Hacker Earth, Geek for Geek chapters, and so on. You need to earn points through this internationally recognized platform for global acceptance. You need to become 6-star coders. More than 75 students of IIIT Kottayam brought laurels in global coding competition and hackathon. It's the biggest achievement of the student community of IIIT Kottayam. We will teach you almost every essential technology. But any curriculum in the world cannot cover all the technologies. To exhibit your learning attitude and desire, as well as interest in the latest technologies, which are not included in your curriculum. From the day one, you need to join extra certification courses of your liking from Coursera, EduTech, NPTEL, Swayam Portal, etc. IT companies are expecting it in your resume. They expect that apart from your curriculum, what you have done, how you have contributed, what you have learned, and that should be reflected in your resume. It will help you to get highly paid job in IT industry. One more point, up to third year, you need to develop and upload extra 5 small software projects, which are not part of your curriculum, at open source portals such as GIT Hub. No doubt that our faculty will help you. You need to approach them for guidance. One more very important point, and you must remember this at day one. You need to go for an internship after first year. After first year, you may not get good company for you won't get good industry exposure, but try it at first year level. After the second year, you will get a better IT company for internship, and after the third year, you must search, you must get an internship at your dream company to get pre-placement offer. Nowadays, almost 80% campus placement is through pre-placement offer. So don't wait for campus placement. At end of third year, you should get your dream company. Focus on PPO, pre-placement offer. For getting the best PPO, all these parameters which are discussed are required. That is why I'm introducing you this pathway of success to become a highly paid IT engineer. These are all the expectations from top IT companies from you, apart from CGPA above 7.0. That scoring is a very, very important factor, and you must have. Then you will get good campus placement. You have ample time, but you should not waste time. Today the clock has started. Please remember this word. Today the clock has started. Every minute is important. Don't work under stress. Don't be afraid of failure. This is a very important principle of life. Don't afraid of failure. Be relaxed. Be focused. Only do the time management perfectly to win the race. I wish you all the best. We'll be always with you during this academic journey of 4 years. Jai Hind.